I don't know who makes up these trends, but this is a 92i makeup trend that's been going around. A lot of girlies were saying that it's originated in France, but I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. It's basically almost kind of exactly like the Latina baddie makeup. As you can see here, it's a lot of browns, very bronzy. I also put a lighter bone shade on the inner lid. This look also requires eyeliner, and I have to do the wing very small because of my hooded eyelid. Now I'm just cleaning up with some micellar water. For primer, I got this one on Amazon for like $5, and I really like it. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. As you can see, I have a lot of discoloration on my skin, but I do try to just apply a little bit because I don't want it to come out too cakey. And this e.l.f. contour is so good. I love it. I'm also using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and as you can see, I did not apply any liquid blush, but I am going to apply some powder blush later on. Now using a powder puff, I'm going to set under my eyes and basically my whole face with the same powder. Super minimal, just to lock in the makeup. And now I'm applying the powder bronzer. Very minimal powder blush. I had to hold myself back because I love blush. Some cute lashes, and here I'm lining my lips with the MAC lip liner. I absolutely love this shade, and I topped it off with my favorite Lawless lip gloss. This one's like a nude pinky shade, and here I'm lining my waterline with a brown eyeliner. And now to finish off the look, I did apply some highlighter. This is a glitter puff from Half Magic. I loved using it as a highlighter. Finally, some setting spray, and now we're done with the 92i makeup trend. Super bronzy, super bold. I love it. What do you guys think?